I have finished my work for the day.
It is time for our walk, Sarah. The air is so fresh this evening.
I love our time out here, Dad.
Dreams are the seeds of the future.
I learned so much from you.
The air is so fresh this evening.
I love our time out here, Dad. Mom is waiting for us.
Let us help her with dinner.
Welcome back to my lovely ones.
The house smells so wonderful.
We are blessed with this meal.
I feel so grateful tonight.
Many hands make light work.
I do not mind cleaning with you.
I think I am winning this time.
Just you wait and see, Dad.
Shall we watch a movie now?
That sounds like a lovely plan.
I found a story of hope. Hope is what we need, Sarah. Our life is so peaceful here. It is the best place to be. Good night to my dear parents.
Good night, our precious daughter.
Now I will write my heart. What a beautiful day it was. I write of love and peace. My family is my world. The day comes to a soft end. I am ready to sleep. Thank you for everything. I will see the sun soon.